Hello everyone, welcome to the Snapfingers TV. Snapfinger focuses on decrypting the integrated communication of the crypto world. We enjoy deep partnership with developer communities, business elite, key media, and financial institutions who have great insight and experiences in the blockchain and fintech. So today we are super excited to have Wanghui, the project lead of SmartBCH here to talk all the things about the project and what's their plan on the layer 2 solution for the Bitcoin Cash ecosystem. So welcome, Quay. Hello. Yeah. So first of all, would you mind to introduce a little bit about yourself and the SmartBCH and what are the problems you guys are aiming to solve?
Hello everyone, I'm Wanghui. I got a doctorate degree at Peking University on computer architecture, and I joined Bitmain in 2016, and then I worked in military support since 2019. I have been working on public key development all these years. We have developing SmartBCH since the last year. SmartBCH is the sidechain of BCH which supports EVM. It solves two problems. One is, that BCH does not support EVM. EVM, is the most popular platform for most smart contracts. The problem two is that EVM does not have a big block, high throughput implementation. So we want to bring such implementation to the whole crypto world.
Thank you so much. So basically, you graduated and from the doctorate degree from the technical. Or your whole career of your working life developing technical part like the chain, and also like if you joined Bitmain in 2016, then it's actually quite long. I mean, like, so you are OG in this
but my first several years I was developing miners. Then I switched to the software
chain
part.
Yeah, that's quite interesting. So so you talk about there are some current problem in Bitcoin Cash chain. So it's because right now it doesn't support EVM. You start to initiate this idea, try to improve and try to help Bitcoin Cash ecosystem. Am I correct?
Yes, I do want to help the Bitcoin Cash ecosystem because we believe the bigger block to serve all the people is the correct direction for the crypto community. You know that the Bitcoin Cash is a scripting system now is still function limited, and most of smart contract developers are not familiar with the Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin script OP code. And in EVM will make it easier for the developers to develop a smart contract in Bitcoin Cash's ecosystem. This is the developer part. For the miners, through SmartBCH, the SHA-2 miners can benefit directly from DeFi applications. Currently, only the graphic card miners can benefit from DeFi applications. For the BCH holders, will have their BCH for more use cases, just like the ETH in the Ethereum ecosystem. You can lock your ETH in MakerDAO, in Balance, in Aave, and other DeFi applications. In the future, through SmartBCH, you can do the same thing with your BCH. These are the major advantages SmartBCH can provide to the community.
Yeah, thanks so much. It's actually touch base of my second question about how do you guys actually plan to enhance the Bitcoin Cash ecosystem, because the limited of the Bitcoin Cash system right now. So SmartBCH will help and also will contribute to this ecosystem to directly from DeFi application, and also for holder they will have more use case and adoption to utilize their token. So that's quite and pretty interesting. Then the third question from my end will be, would you mind to tell us a little bit more about how does SmartBCH stand out from the crowd? I mean, like right now we know there are a lot of people are building a layer 2 solution, not only for Bitcoin Cash, but also for other chains as well. So what is the technical part, the unique advantage for the SmartBCH project has?
SmartBCH is a big block and high throughput EVM implementation. It raises the gas limit by fully exploiting the hardware parallelism, including the CPU and SSD. So it is from a different direction for optimization. The hardware, the underlying hardware. For all the layer 2 applications, they use some tricks in crypto algorithms and in careful design. Eventually, we need to fully exploit the hardware. It's a new direction for optimization, and I believe all the layer 2 applications can borrow some ideas from SmartBCH because the modern computer hardware have a lot of potential for the software industry to exploit. So through the exploiting of hardware, SmartBCH can keep very low gas price, even the traffic is very high. I believe this is a unique advantage. Currently, no other solutions, including layer 1 and layer 2, they cannot compete SmartBCH in single chain throughput. And another thing is that SmartBCH is neutral and decentralized because its validators are elected by SHA-2 miners, their hash power. So it's open and decentralized, just like the BCH mainnet. It is not controlled by any single party. So I believe this is important advantage in the crypto world.
I see. Yeah, thanks so much for the information. So as we know, SmartBCH and also BCH community are quite excited and quite active, like no matter to help promoting and also to share their words about the project. But I'm just wondering if I or if some other community member, they are not the BCH holder or they just a new joiner to this industry, how can they participate in the SmartBCH ecosystem?
Okay, you know that BCH is always very open to the new joiners. If you know the two sites of Read.cash and Noise.cash, there are faucets for the newcomers to get BCH. And again, when SmartBCH is ready, we will set up a faucet for the newcomer, the new joiners to get a little bit BCH to use as gas fee, so they can participate in the SmartBCH ecosystem to try out all the DeFi applications.
Yeah, it's glad to hear the community are very open and welcome new joiners. We are very excited to see SmartBCH launch the faucet for new joiner to try out. Yeah, so I think the most important question from community is that everybody care about the token, right? So I'm wondering, will you guys issue the token? Then if not, what will be the benefit to attract people to join?
Okay, there are no tokens issued. The native token of SmartBCH is just BCH. The reason is we just want to keep things simple. You know that if you introduce a new token, you must take care of it and all of the political and business issues. We just want to focus on the technique. So we do not introduce new token. For the benefit, okay, SmartBCH is very easy for the new joiners to try out. So we also want to make it the first step for the people to join crypto community. So you know that the people in the crypto community is still, the amount is still very small, and a lot of people have not ever tried out anything in the computing world. We just want to make an entrance for the people who want to try something or join the crypto world. And so we believe a lot of newcomers will get into the crypto world through SmartBCH. And if you are a developer, you can meet a lot of more people than you can get on the other public chains. It is something like a chain for the crowd and for the newcomers.
I see. Yeah, I kind of like really buy it, your idea, like make everything simple and focus on technical part and to build some of the good tool and infrastructure for, either for developer or newcomer or everyone to join and to contribute to this chain easily. So yeah, thanks so much for doing that. So I heard from the team background and project background, maybe you guys have some strong relationship with many large Bitcoin Cash mining pool. Then I'm wondering, what do they think of SmartBCH?
All the major Bitcoin Cash mining pools gave us a lot of help, and they believe SmartBCH is on the correct direction. In the next month, we will release more information about the miner elected validator plan, and more opinion from the mining pools will be reviewed at that time.
I see. Yeah, so sounds like you guys will do the POS.
It's a POS and POW hybrid consensus algorithm. So in a short time span, it is POS based, but the validators are elected by the SHA-2 hashing power.
So maybe let's touch base a little bit about the benefit for this consensus scheme. Would you mind to share some of the point, like why you adopt this hybrid mechanism?
A POS algorithm has a shorter confirmation time, and it is easy to finalize. It's per block finalized, so it is easier to use. But POS is not open. Is not very open for the newcomers. So we adopt POS in a short time span for its advantage. But we will re-elect the validators every 2 weeks using hashing power to make it more open and more decentralized. The openness and the decentralization is the main advantage from POW algorithm.
I see. Then can you introduce a little bit more about your team's technical background? I mean, at the beginning you mentioned about yourself, but we are also wondering how strong is the technical part from the team?
Our team has been worked together for years. The technical engineers of our team all have many years experience of public chain development. Since we all worked firstly in Bitmain and then in Matrix Code.
I see. Yeah, that's good. I mean, like at least we know and we kind of like understand the technical part, and also all of the point you guys want to achieve can be achieved, right? Yeah. So maybe last question from my end is, can you share with us more about your plan? I mean, SmartBCH roadmap in the near future or the milestone of 2021?
In this year, we will start a testnet first in this week, very soon. And we welcome DeFi application developers to try our testnet out and report bugs to us. And then in the next month, we are planning to launch the SmartBCH mainnet next month in May. So that is a good time for the BCHer or the new joiner to try out the chain.
I see. So the testnet will be launching this week, for developers and for DeFi, the app, they come to try out. Then next month we'll launch the mainnet. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that's pretty much from my end for today's all interview question. Before we close today's show, so if developers and community, they want to follow you guys and they want to join the community to reach out to you guys in person to contribute to the network and also the ecosystem, how can they find you guys?
Okay, you can just go to our official site, smartbch.org, and there are some links to the social media, and you can find us at the social media. The Telegram group is the most active one among all the social medias.
I'm viewing the website, so I found Medium and also Twitter and also Telegram and Discord. So both this channel, community can get the updated information and they can join Telegram. Yeah, it's quite active. A lot of developers talking there. Thank you so much for today. And we wish the launch have a big successful. Thank you so much, Quay.
Thank you for